on an aggravated battery.
Hi, and thanks for watching Wicked Warnings, where you can be seen and be safe. Your number one source for construction and emergency strobe light safety equipment. Right here we have legendary Ford F-150. This particular model is a 2016, late 2016. It is a platinum in the red. It's featuring our auto flasher on the mirrors and the white LED lights on the mirrors. It's also featuring our LIN-6, our LIN-6 in amber white on the lower front grille. This is a paving contractor, so we have a lot more warning to the rear of the truck on this particular build. We've synchronized the grille lights to flash amber and white together on that LIN-6. Right here you can see how we've mounted them right into this plastic panel here. You are able to drill a clean hole through to the rear for your wiring, and you can mount the linear 6 right there on the bottom of the grille. Same holds true on the other side of the grille. And you can see it throws it off on a little bit of an angle to the sides. It's a great discreet mounting location. It looks very nice on the front of this truck when the lights are off. You can barely tell they're there. And when they're on, of course, they do their job. The other benefit here is we don't molest or destroy that very expensive Platinum Series grille. The front of these grills, these trucks have extremely expensive grills on them, so before you go drilling holes through them, make sure that you don't want to damage that grill. Around the back of the truck here, as you can see, we've got our TIR3s. You can see when I turn the flash on the camera. We've also got reflective lettering on his logos there. We've got our TIR3 in amber next to the license plate, as well as underneath the tails. We've also added a set of LED HAW Duo, our hideaways, into the third brake light. Now, this being a platinum, it did have the factory LED third brake light, and we do have a video in our DIY section of how to remove those LEDs and insert our LED HAW Duo. So as you can see, we have an amber LED HAW in the third brake light, and we have 4 of the TIR3 in amber synchronized to fire 2x2 on the back of this truck. There's a little better view, a little higher view. And here's your view from about 5'6". This particular client wanted a switch for the front and the back, so we've installed 2 switches on the dashboard, and we went with all amber to the rear, and as you saw previously, an amber white LIN-6 in the front, as well as the mirror mod to the front. You can see right here in the dashboard where we installed the green and red switch. That will allow him the green for the front and the red for the rear. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings, your number one source for construction and emergency strobe light and equipment. Be sure to trust us with your fleet. Hit that subscribe button and share this video on your favorite social media. Also, check the links for all of these products, as well as a description for a package to build the entire truck exactly as you see it in the description below.